So if you're not familiar with pagination, let's see. Pagination is so pretty much if I went to go query an entire month's worth of data, because there's a lot of data in these tables, right? These join queries are very expensive. And so there's a couple things you want to do when you have a query like this with joins. Number one is you want to have indexes set up on those columns that you're joining. And the reason why you want to have that index set up is so you don't have to scan the entire table, right? Or you don't want the Postgres to have to, if you have 1 million records in a table, and you only need to fetch like 50 of those records for a specific customer, you don't want to have to scan the entire 1 million records to just find those 15 records for the customer. And so we just made sure we had our indexes set up properly. So the issue is that it returned 523 rows. So if I look down here, I ran this report for a full month of data. Now you can imagine if it's a big trucking company and they have 50 trucks, a full month of data is a ton of data to query from Postgres. And this is what that query looks like. And so we have join operations, but what I noticed is even though I added indexes on all the columns where we're handling these join operations, on production, when I have a ton of data, when a customer has a ton of data and they try to query a full month, it still is, the data gets returned, but it takes too long, right? Like this is called pagination, where when I scroll back here, so the way that this works is it's only, and I'm not sure if you're familiar with the term pagination. I'm assuming you are. I know you're pretty technical, Jesse. But pretty much this report is only supposed to execute 50 queries or 50 results at a time.